Growing up, this was my favorite dish to share with my father. Medjool dates sauteed in butter and topped with fried egg. Can it get any better than that? I'm going to show you how to make my favorite treat.
Start with sauteing some of these beautiful medjool dates in butter. Get them nice and soft. I have to say, honestly, this is one of my favorite recipes that I've shared with my father for years. Go ahead and crack a couple of eggs. Best if you do it in a bowl first and then drop them down in your pan. A little salt, fresh cracked black pepper, and there you have it. So simple. Drop it down on a plate. At this point, my father and I would be fighting over who gets the third egg. Promise you, it would be me. Fresh mint. Sometimes I like to crumble feta over this as well. Got some beautiful olive bread, nicely toasted. There you go.
So from my parents' pantry and kitchen to yours, try this at your next Sunday brunch. This egg dish is not gonna let you down. I mean, yum. Look at that.
For this recipe and more, go to unitedwithearth.com.